Today's topic will be gate design and runner design. We will talk about a little bit theoretical how to design the gate number and your gate location and how to we practice in our studio. So let's get started. So our outline would be four main points. The first one would be why optimizing gate location is such important in mold design or injection molding. Second would be Moldex3D tools for gate location designs. The last one is the case study and conclusion. So we just quickly start. The first section will talk about how to design a gate in injection molding or mold design. So why we need to design the gate locations? So for maybe we need to talk more about basic knowledge about injection molding. So injection molding is surrounding in four main topics. One is materials, machine, uh, and your mold, and also the process conditions. So if you put these four sections into consideration to do the revise, then the last one, the last efficiency of revise is process condition approximately maybe 5 to 10% room can help you to get a better quality. So maybe you need to go to the very top factor that will affect the injection molding. One is the mold design. And the mold design includes very many things like the gate, the sprue, the runner, your ejector, your slider. Every component in mold design is very important. So today we just take gate to be our topic because in studio or in our software we can decide the gate numbers and gate location and use our CAE to run many revised design. Like you can use our studio to decide where you need to put your gate. So the topic is how we determine if this gate is good or not. So let's see what will happen in the reality. So in reality, our products were facing some defects like short shot and weld lines.